Hello friends, this video is designed to give you a brief insight into the self-assembly process. So what is self-assembly? Self-assembly is a spontaneous process that arises when disordered components of a particular design assemble into ordered structures by way of the design, and without human intervention. For a self-assembly process to occur, four main requirements must be met. The process requires an environment, structured components, a binding force, and a driving force. To demonstrate the process of self-assembly, 3 experiments will be conducted, one involving straws, one involving cereal, and one involving oil. Each of these components will be added to a dish of water. Enjoy the demonstration. While each of these components self-assembled, let's use the straws experiment to explain what's happening. So why do the straws self-assemble? The straws act as structured components, while the water in the dish acts as the environment. The agitated water acts as a driving force, which allows the binding force of the components to interplay, ultimately resulting in their self-assembly. What is the binding force? This is the force that governs the self-assembly of components. In this case, it is action of capillary forces which dictates the aggregation of the straws. The capillary forces will form a concave meniscus if the sides of the straws interact, and a convex meniscus if the ends of the straws interact. A difference in meniscus will result in repulsion. This is evident when the concave meniscus from the top of a straw interacts with the convex meniscus from the side of a straw. We hope this video has broadened your understanding of self-assembly. Thanks for watching.